If you've got a minute, we can make this. From simple veggies to a cheesy, creamy comfort food, potato soup fully loaded with flavor. In a bowl or in a potato skin boat, here's what you'll need. 2 carrots, diced. 3 celery sticks, diced. 1 onion, diced. Some broccoli cut into flowerets. And if you want to kick, some green chile. Now slice half a slab of bacon into 1-inch strips. Then in a large pot, cook until crispy. Remove the bacon and the grease except for a tablespoon. Cook the onion, carrots, and celery for 5 minutes. Then add 2 large peeled and diced russet potatoes. Then the chili and the broccoli. Now add chicken broth and stir. To thicken the soup, make a slurry from flour and milk. Whisk to combine and add to the soup. The final step, shredded cheese. Stir it all together and serve in a bowl, topped with more cheese, green onion, and the bacon. Or you can bake some potatoes, scoop out the center, and make soup boats. Now this is comfort food. Thanks for watching the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.